Okay, real talk. Sunscreens are honestly the most confusing skincare product to buy. There are literally hundreds of options. The marketing is all over the place, and half of them literally leave you looking like a ghost or feeling like you have applied butter on your face. So, today we are cutting through all of that noise. I have been testing sunscreens for a while now, and I've narrowed it down to three popular options that are actually within a budget because spending 2000 rupees on a sunscreen should not be a requirement. I have got Fay Beauty, Garnier, and Pond's sunscreen, and I'm going to break down exactly what's in them, how they feel on my skin, and here's the fun part. I actually have this UV Torch demo kit that Garnier sent me, and we are going to see all the protection it gives with our own eyes. So let's get into it. But before I get into the products, let me tell you guys why sunscreen is a non-negotiable. And I mean this is for everyone, not just for the people who spend a lot of time outdoors. The sun emits two type of UV rays that reach our skin. UVB rays are the ones that are actually causing sunburns. They are the one that you actually feel, but UVA rays, they go deeper. They are the one responsible for premature aging, hyperpigmentation, and long-term skin damage. And the scary part is that you do not feel the UVA rays at all, and you don't even know that they are actually hitting you. And that's where SPF and PA ratings come in. SPF is sun protection factor, and it measures protection against UVB rays. Higher the number, the longer you can stay in the sun before burning. SPF 50 blocks 98% of the UVB rays, which is actually considered the golden standard. And for PA ratings, you guys must be seeing all these PA+, PA++, PA++++, and PA+++++. The PA ratings actually protects us against the UVB rays. More plus signs means more protection, and that is why PA++++ is the highest rating possible. So when you see a sunscreen with SPF 50 PA4+, that means it's a full spectrum maximum protection sunscreen. And here's what most people don't know. Wearing sunscreen daily, even on cloudy days, and even indoors when you're near the windows, is one of the most effective things you can do for your skin long term. Literally more effective than most of these serums and treatments. Okay, now let's look at these three. Here are all the three sunscreens I would be testing today. All of them are popular and also are under a budget, so let's get started. First up is the Fay Beauty sunscreen. This one has a bit of a cult following in the Indian skincare community. It is loved for its finish and texture, and it's actually been trending for a while now. And I'll talk more about how it actually performs in a bit. Next, this is the one I really wanted to dig in today. This is the Garnier Super UV Cooling Water Gel Sunscreen. This one has SPF 50 and PA4+ protection, which means it gives you both UVB and maximum UVA protection. But the thing that actually makes a difference is definitely its texture. It is a water gel formula, which means it's specifically designed to feel lightweight, cooling, and non-greasy, and we'll definitely get into that properly. And the third one is the Pond's Serum Boost Sunscreen. Super accessible and widely available. And this is also a brand which most of us have actually grown up using. So let's see how this one holds up. Okay, this is the part I was genuinely excited about. So Garnier sent me this demo kit, and inside we have this special paper with two circles printed on it, and of course a UV torch. We are going to do a real UV protection test, and you guys can literally see the difference. So here's how it works. I'm going to apply the Garnier Cooling Water Gel Sunscreen on one of these circles, and on the other circle I'm just going to apply a different sunscreen or just leave it blank, and then I will shine the UV torch over both. The torch actually emits UV light and the paper actually reacts to it, and the areas with less protection turns darker purple, and the area with better UV protection stays lighter. So I'm applying the Garnier sunscreen here on this circle, just like you would apply it on your skin, a nice even layer. And on this side I'm applying a normal regular sunscreen. Now let's shine the torch and just look at that. The side with Garnier is noticeably lighter. The unprotected side pretty much turned dark purple. The dark color purple means UV light is getting through, and the lighter means it is getting blocked. This test isn't just a gimmick. It's based on the same principle that UV sensitive paper and UV cameras use. It's really simple but effective visual demonstration. The sunscreen is actually doing its job. It's one thing to actually read SPF 50 on the label, and another thing to actually see it working. Okay, coming to textures, this is where actually sunscreens win or lose people. Honestly, nobody wants to wear a sunscreen where their skin starts looking oily, greasy, or breaks them out. So let me show you guys how each one of these feels like. The Garnier Super UV Cooling Water Gel Sunscreen is a water gel formula. The moment it touches your skin, you get this instant cooling sensation. It's genuinely so refreshing. I love applying this in the morning, especially in the summer, because it wakes my skin up. It really absorbs quickly, doesn't leave any white cast whatsoever, and my skin just feels clean and fresh afterwards. The water gel texture also makes it really ideal for oily or combination skin types. It's not adding any extra heaviness or shine on your face, but honestly, even if you have dry skin, this gel has enough hydration in it so that your skin won't feel tight or stripped. It has SPF 50, PA4+, and that's the full package. Maximum UVB and UVA protection in the formula that genuinely feels good to wear. And when something feels good, you actually wear it every day, which is actually the whole point. The Fae Beauty sunscreen has a beautiful finish, slightly more satiny, and great for people who want that extra glow on their skin. And Pond's is very accessible and gets the job done. It's a solid basic option. Both are good, and it really comes down to what your skin really needs and what experience you're looking for. I also wanted to quickly touch on what actually is inside this Garnier Super UV Cooling Water Gel Sunscreen, because the formula is doing a lot of good things at once. It has vitamin C in the formula, which is great for brightening and helps fight free radical damage caused by sun exposure. So you're just not protecting your skin, you're also giving it a little skincare benefit all at the same time. Combined with SPF 50 and PA4+, this is genuinely one of the most well-rounded, affordable sunscreens on the market. Protection, texture, skin benefit, it checks all the three boxes. So here's my honest take after testing all of these three sunscreens. All three are solid options, and all three are within a budget that most people can actually have access to. So if you're someone who's just getting started with sunscreens, and if you want something no fuss and affordable, then Pond's is a great option. And if you care about the finish and are ready to spend a little more, then Fae Beauty delivers a really nice experience. But if I had to recommend you guys that one sunscreen that gives you the strongest protection, the best texture that you can wear every day, also a cooling experience and a lot of skin benefits on top of that, especially if you guys stay somewhere where it is extremely hot and humid, then you need to get your hands on the Garnier Super UV Cooling Water Gel Sunscreen. It has SPF 50, PA4+, and that formula with that water gel cooling texture is just built for Indian climate. And this is honestly one of those sunscreens I keep reaching out to every single day, all the time. And honestly, at the end of the day, I don't care which one you pick from the list, but what I do care about is you wearing a sunscreen every single day. Rain or shine, indoors or outdoors, that is honestly the real skincare glow up. Not a 5,000 rupees serum, just daily SPF. And of course, I'm a girl's girl, so I'm going to link everything in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out and thank me later. Bye.